Time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to our Qora digital cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to check through my channel, check out my trading strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. It is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. Okay, and of course the performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it's all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milk trading indicator. This actually started an uptrend right from the support zone, played around there for a while before breaking out above it around there to get to this resistance zone. At the moment it is still buying, okay, even though it is at the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time, okay, but it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is going to be a buy. Sorry, it might not be for a very long time, like I said earlier on. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. You can see it sold right from this resistance zone to the very end at this point, and of course it picked up from here and bought till it got to this region, and presently it is selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, so we should take note of that. Okay, next asset should be crash 1000. Let's check that out right now. Okay, this is crash 1000. This had really been on a very strong uptrend. You can see it right from here. It started the uptrend right from here, and it has been buying since then. That is the beauty of this trading tool. You can see it kept on buying and buying and buying, and it is at this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it's still giving us more buying vibes. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is crash 500. It was on uptrend before, got to this region, to this support zone, and it bought till it got to this resistance zone. So it started selling right from there, but it was unable to break out from this support zone, and that is why it is pulling back at the moment. Okay, if it buys till it gets to this resistance zone, if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend to try the support zone out, and once it breaks out from here, then definitely it's going to sell more. But if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time also. Okay, the last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It had been on downtrend right from here till this support zone, till this very support zone. Okay, and of course it picked up from there and started a buying opportunity. So it has been buying since then, but it got to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, pulling back at the moment. This might not be for long. If it's unable to go below this support zone, this particular one, then definitely it will go back on uptrend. Okay, and try out this resistance zone again. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is pulling back at the moment, but it's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. But if it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So this is going to be more buying opportunities than a selling opportunity. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly give me a kindly take your time to browse through the platform, and of course try to understand the strategies very well before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.